RPPR stands for Real-Time Pattern Playback and Record. This is a special feature in the Triton workstations that allows you to trigger patterns to be played with just one key. You can also record the information played by these patterns into the track sequencer to be edited. Let's go into disk mode and load up one of these. RPPRs and patterns are saved with a .sng file. If we open up one of these folders here, we can see that there's a cue list. There's also the folder here that's named the same as the file. If we open this up, we're going to see the tracks that are recorded into songs, and then you also see the individual patterns that are saved with this SNG file. Let me bring this up to the top level again. We're going to select this .sng file and do the command of load selected and press OK, and that's going to load that into the sequencer. If we toggle back to sequence mode, our song title appears here, and if you press the menu button and you go into P6 pattern /RPPR and toggle over to the pattern name tab, you'll see all the patterns have been loaded here in the user slots. Now, to trigger these patterns to be played with an RPPR, you have to go to the RPPR tab, and with each key you're going to assign separate patterns to those keys, and I've already done that. So there's 50 drum patterns already assigned to all the keys, and if you go back to the main sequence mode, you can play these by just pressing the key. And you can also record with these. I'm going to show you how to do that. Just press the record right button and start stop, and then when you're ready, go ahead and hold down the keys that are associated with the patterns that you want to play. And press stop. And if we go in the menu and click on the P5 track edit, you'll see the notes from those patterns have been recorded into track 1 there. And we, of course, from the drop down list can perform any of these edit functions. We can go into the event editor and individually adjust any of these notes or velocities. There's also some associated control changes with some of those in there. So it's a really handy and quick feature to use when recording songs or producing music with the Triton workstation.